Standard Second, topic Going to the River. Hello, students. Today we are going to learn an interesting lesson, that is going to the river. Before starting the lesson, I would like to ask few questions. From where do we get water? Yes, very good. We get water from wells, rivers, ocean, pond, lake, streams, etc. So these all are the sources of water. So today we are going to learn going to the river. So let's see why we are going to the river. Ishan and Kamini were helping their mother at home. They were washing dishes, but there was very little water. Mother said, "Run to the river and fetch some more water." On their way, something happened. Kamini saw a herd of cows. The cows were running towards them. Kamini was afraid. She started to run. She tripped over a huge stone and fell. Her new dress tore. "Help!" shouted Kamini. She had a bruise on her knee. Ishan ran to help her. Ishan and Kamini were helping their mother at home. Okay, students, now as you can see, there is a boy and a girl. This boy is named as Ishan and this girl is named as Kamini. So they both were helping their mother at their home. Students, do you help your mother? Yes, very good. You should help your mother. So these two kids were helping their mother at home. Now let's see what they were doing. They were washing dishes, but there was very little water left. Okay, so now they both were washing dishes, as you can see in the picture. Yes, they both are washing dishes, and there was very little water left with them. Mother said, "Run to the river and fetch some more water." Now they were having a river beside their house or somewhere. Okay, so there was a river. So mother said, "Run and go to the river and bring some water from there." Okay, who said this? Mother said. Whose mother? Ishan's and Kamini's mother said them that run and go to the river and bring some more water. Fetch means to go to another place to get something or bring it. On their way, something happened. Kamini saw a herd of cows. Now Kamini and Ishan, both were going to the river. Now there something happened on their way, and Kamini saw a herd of cows. As you can see in the picture, there are many cows. Okay, so she saw a herd of cows. Okay, we'll see the meaning of herd. Herd means a large group of animals of the same type that live and feed together. The cows were running towards them. See, as you can see in the picture, the cows are running towards them. See, Ishan and Kamini both are there, and these cows were running towards them. Let's see what happened next. Kamini was afraid. She started to run as Kamini saw the herd of cows running towards them. She got afraid and she started running. She tripped over a huge stone and fell. She tripped. Tripped means, see, as you can see in the picture, there is a stone. Yes. So, because of that stone, she tripped to that stone and she fell down. As you can see in the picture. Tripped means lose your balance after knocking your foot against something when you are walking or running. Now Kamini was running because she was afraid. Yes or no? Yes, because the herds of cow was coming towards them and she got afraid and she started running. Then she tripped over a stone and she fell. Her new dress tore. See, as you can see in the picture, Kamini, the girl is crying. Okay, why she's crying? Because her new dress tore. Okay, now tore means a hole in a piece of paper, cloth, or other material. Okay, so like here her new dress got tore. So that's why she's crying, as you can see in the picture. Help! Shouted Kamini. Now she's shouting, help, help me. When you also sometimes afraid and running and you want someone's help, you also shout, right? Help me, help me. The same manner, Kamini is also shouting, help. Okay? Now let's see, anyone helps her or no? She had a bruise on her knee. See, as you can see the girl here, yes, she had got hurt on her knee. She is having an injury on her knee. Okay. Bruise means a place on a person's skin that is darkened from bleeding under the skin, usually from an injury. See, as you can see in the picture, there is a bruise on her knee. She got hurt on her knee because she was running and she fell down. Ishan ran to help her. Now her brother Ishan run to help her. See, she's crying in the picture and Ishan is beside her. See, you can see in the picture here also she have got hurt on her knee. Yes. Now Ishan went near her to help her. Students, it's exercise time now. Let's see whether you have understood the lesson. New words. First is fetch. Second, heard. Third, tripped. Fourth, tore. And fifth is bruise. Okay, meaning first is fetch, to go to another place to get something or someone, and bring it him or her back. Herd, a large group of animals of same type that live and feed together. Tripped, to lose your balance after knocking your foot against something when you're walking or running, that is fall. When you fall, it is called as trip. Tore, a hole in a piece of paper, cloth or other material. Bruise, a place on a person's skin that is darkened from bleeding under the skin, usually from an injury. Make sentences. First one is fetch. This glass has been used. Please fetch me a clean one. Herd. We saw a herd of deer. Third is tripped. I tripped over a stone and fell to the ground. Tore. She tore several pictures out of the magazine. Bruise. I fell down really hard and got a black bruise on my knee. Okay, now match the picture to the correct word. Now here are some words given and here are some pictures given. So now you're going to match them. Okay. Now tripped. What do you mean by trip? Yes, the person is falling here. So it is known as tripped. Very good. Bruise. Yes, very good. Washing. The girl is washing dishes here. Herd. Herd means a group of animals. Happened. See, this boy is telling what happened. Very good, students. It's homework time now. So students, your homework is make sentences on the given words. So here the words are given and you're going to make sentences on your own. The first word is washing, happened, dress and helping. Students, I hope you have understood this lesson. Thank you.